Well, a new stricter law targeting drunk drivers set to take effect this coming Sunday. The focus is on first-time offenders found to have a blood alcohol content more than twice the legal limit for driving. Dana Molina tells us what the new law says, and she brings us reaction from a family that lives with the consequences every day of a drunk driver.
It's been 28 years since these photos were taken, but they're still a painful sight for Robin Vonalton.
It's very difficult to look at these pictures. It's very heartbreaking.
They show what was left of her mom's Cadillac after it was struck by a car going 65 miles an hour over the speed limit.
Her head hit the roof of the car. She broke her jaws. Her ear was severed in half. She had internal injuries. The seat of the car her feet went under it, and her legs were crushed.
The driver of the car that hit her had a blood alcohol content level 3 times the legal limit of .08. She'd never been convicted of drunk driving, but Vonalton doesn't think it was the first time she did it.
I'm sure that it wasn't. I'm sure that she was an alcoholic, to be able to tolerate that much, alcohol.
A new state law promises to punish those drivers with stricter consequences. A person caught driving with a blood alcohol content level of .17 or higher can face up to 180 days in jail and at least $200 fines. They'll also be required to have a device that keeps them from driving if they've been drinking and go through a 1-year mandatory treatment period.
We hope that we'll see less and less. As we heard the state trooper mention that people appoint a designated driver, they take a cab or they spend the night somewhere, but don't get behind the wheel and drink and drive.
Vonalton says the new law is not enough. No law will ever eliminate the memories these photos bring her. In Eaton Rapids, Dana Molina, 6 News.